can use the stain and finishing oil in the natural color to seal your Fusion mineral paint. It's a really easy and quick way to add additional sheen and additional protection. So for example, if you're doing kitchen cabinets, I highly encourage you to use this product because it's easy to apply, you don't get brush strokes from it, and it's super durable and washable. So if you're going to be doing it over a light color, you may get a slight yellowing effect because the oil itself is a little bit yellow. So keep that in mind. If you're doing a pure white kitchen, you may want to just use our non-yellowing Tough Coat, which is a water-based product, non-yellowing water-based product. You can see there's a little bit of yellow there. Now I am going to wipe back the excess. However, over time, it will slightly yellow just a little bit. I'll let that sit for a minute or so. Now, if you are doing a dark color, sometimes you can pick up a little bit of fingerprints on there, or it can mark a little bit easier. So if you use this, it again increases the sheen, really richens up the color even more so, and will prevent any sort of fingerprints or marking on the darker colors. Fusion mineral paint on its own is completely waterproof and very, very durable. And if you do get any marks on it, you can actually wash it. But this helps even more to protect it, just adding another layer. And there you go. So I'm going to wipe back the excess, and I have a beautiful finished piece with even more durability and protection for items like your kitchen cabinets.